What's up, everyone? It's Brian from the Exact IT Solutions YouTube channel. Welcome to another video, and today I wanted to provide a quick update to everybody on the Log4j vulnerability that I did a video about yesterday. There's been a couple significant updates to this that I wanted to kind of get out there to everybody to make sure that everybody had the latest information about this particular vulnerability that is being actively exploited in the wild right now. Before I get into it, remember, subscribe to the channel and like the video, please. Helps me out greatly. And also comment or drop any questions you have down below in the comments. I'm also going to put in the description some links to some sources for this information so you can go do your own research if you want to. But again, this is just a quick update. And the first thing that I want to bring up to everyone's attention is that there was a second Log4j vulnerability discovered late yesterday, and today is Wednesday, December 15th. So this was on December 14th. Apache has already put out a update to this, and it's version 2.16 now. Version 2.15 was the original patch that fixed the original vulnerability, and now 2.16 fixes the second vulnerability that was discovered. So you need to patch again. So whatever you did in the last couple days to remediate this, you're going to have to do that again with this new patch because this has been discovered and is being exploited in the wild. And the other thing I wanted to update everybody on is that the vulnerabilities are right now that we're seeing with Log4j are now being exploited by state-backed hackers. So the information that we have from SANS is that state-sponsored hackers from China, Iran, North Korea, and Turkey have started testing, exploiting, and using Log4j bug to deploy malware, including ransomware. And there's this particular strain of ransomware that is actually being deployed as a result of this. And it is happening. It's in the wild. So if somebody can get control of one of your servers, the result from them taking over that system is going to be ransomware. A lot of people were asking, like, what are they going to do once they kind of exploit this vulnerability? Well, here you have it. They're deploying ransomware to various organizations that have this vulnerability and haven't patched it yet. So it's critically important with this Log4j that you get it patched quickly. The biggest challenge that we're seeing companies face is they either don't think or they don't know that they have this in their environment, because this isn't something you're going to buy on its own by itself. This is probably something that was wrapped in with some software that you've already purchased or some application that you've already installed somewhere. And you really have to kind of go through it or contact all your vendors, or there's a lot of different ways you can figure out whether you have this vulnerable software on your system. But if you don't know how to go about this, or you want help going about this and want help knowing if you've possibly been exploited by this vulnerability, and you know you have this but you don't know how to fix it, I got a link below in the description where you can go to a page and you can get help from my company around this. We have a very quick and easy way that we can determine, number one, if you've been exploited by this, or number two, if you even have this on your network and you could potentially be exploited by this vulnerability. And we can also help you get this remediated in your environment so you don't have this vulnerability at all. So there's a link below, takes you to a simple web page. You can request help. Somebody from my team will reach out to you and start helping you with this Log4j vulnerability in your environment. So Log4j update video is, you have to update again as of Wednesday, December 15th, 2021. There's a new update, version 2.1.6. You need to update because there are not only private cyber criminals who are actively exploiting this, there are state-backed hacking groups, military operations that are using this vulnerability to exploit servers and computers around the world. So get everything patched so we don't have a problem in your neck of the woods. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.